Well, I chose a song out of Peter's bunch of great songs because I really like the punk rock attitude behind it and the lyrics about consumerism, being tricked by politics and politicians, and trying to find somebody to blame. And this whole story, I think along the lines of something that I would have written or something. And so I chopped up the lyrics, I chopped up the format, I changed the chords. I just tried to translate the song through my lens, and I hope I did a okay job. I hope he likes it, but I just wanted to take the message that I caught from it and put that out. So
I think that was really interesting. I really enjoy it when people take my songs and make it their own, and the way Francisco operates is really what this song was meant to be like. It's like this one man against the world kind of thing, and it really comes through on his version. So yeah, I think. He sort of nailed the feel. He nailed, his own take was really interesting. So I really enjoyed that. And I think he picked the right song for my catalog. If there was one song that an artist like him should do from my catalog of songs, it's that one. So he couldn't miss, really.
Will. I broke up with her on Tuesday, spending Sunday driving home. There's a big old pile of boxes my baby used to sit before. I changed my mind about her. Yeah, she really doesn't fit the mold. She's like a Sunday driver, and I'm getting old. The red house is over now. Back in the mailbox now, wrapped in a note that says goodbye. Tuesday, spending Sunday driving home. There's a big old pile of bombs my baby used to sit before. I changed my mind about her, she really doesn't fit me more. She's like a Sunday driver, and I'm getting old. Well, Peter Varkonyi, yeah, he's a prolific songwriter, to say the least, you know. I think in the whole Grund Club catalogue, he's probably the artist who has the most songs that we have performed in the Grund Club. And Sunday Driver is an absolute classic in the Grund Club, so that's why I chose that song.
I really enjoyed it. It's a sound that I really love. I love the way Lata plays with the voice, singing low, singing high. Obviously, the song is sort of self-explanatory, so it's easy to get into it. And I like the take. I kind of miss the poppier bits that I based the song around, really. But I think it works, and the energy is there. So, yeah, it's another one that I enjoyed. It's really easy to please me if you haven't noticed. So, but it's a nice version of it, and I think it's really cool to have that sort of style of music represented. It's something that is missing from radio a lot. And it's something that I really enjoy. So I love hearing music like that.
Beasts were tearing me apart. A rusty cage around my arm. When I saw you from afar, a light shone through into the dark. Out and touch your hand. My soul begins to melt. What was once a cold, cold day begins to feel like home again. Your eyes painted on.
Beautiful Blue is a song that's very near and dear to me. It's a romantic song. It's the first song that I wrote to my now wife and the mother of my children. So yeah, it's an important song for me personally, and I always love to hear it. It's a song that's been played by a number of artists in the Grund Club, and I've heard like so many versions of it. This one is really refreshing because it's the first time that I hear sort of like an edgier kind of arrangement from the Grund Club on this song, and I think it works really well with Maxime, who I guess is not really used to that sort of setup. I think he's more like like in a poppier, jazzier, I don't know, less edgy kind of vein, and I think that tension really works well on this song. So yeah, I enjoyed it a lot because it added something new to the versions that I've heard before, or the one that I did, obviously. It's always flattering to hear your songs being performed by others, and it's flattering to see that what you have done is somehow worth all the work and the effort that people put together into creating a new version. I mean, really, my mission as a songwriter is to sort of give that joy as well, not just listening, but to perform those songs. And like I said, it's just a great feeling to hear these songs being played.